Friend, pause for just a moment. What if I told you there's a silent superpower within you that you've likely ignored for years? No, it's not some fancy tech or a self-help hack. It's ancient, it's powerful, and it's free. It's called meditation. And today, you're going to discover why it could be the greatest gift you'll ever give to yourself. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what meditation is, but you'll also feel an irresistible pull to start doing it today. So, stay with me, and let's take a journey within. What is meditation really? Let's get this straight. Meditation isn't about escaping the world. It's about waking up to it. Fully, meditation is a state of conscious thoughtlessness. It's not sleep. It's not trance. It's not daydreaming. In this moment, your body is still, your eyes might be closed, but your awareness is sharp, crystal clear. You're alert, but your mind is silent. There's no overanalyzing, no internal dialogues, no endless loops of thought. Just you, existing in the now. And trust me, that's powerful. In the yogic tradition, meditation is the seventh step of the eightfold path of yoga. And it's not just about sitting still. It's about merging with the present moment, with awareness, intention, and clarity, still wondering, why should I care? Because the benefits of regular meditation aren't just spiritual. They're scientific, emotional, mental, and even physical. Let's explore the 10 life-changing benefits you get when you start meditating daily. Get ready, some of these will surprise you. The transformation, 10 life-altering benefits of meditation. 1. You master your mind. Let me ask, do you control your mind, or does it control you? Most people spend their entire lives reacting to thoughts, not choosing them. Our brains compare, complain, recall, and worry on autopilot. But with daily meditation, you learn to pause. You start seeing thoughts as clouds passing through your awareness, not defining it. You don't chase thoughts. You observe them. And eventually, you control them. The result? Clarity, focus, peace. 2. You need less sleep, yet wake up energized. Here's something that'll shock you. Meditation can reduce your need for sleep without sacrificing energy. Why? Because most of our fatigue comes from mental noise, not physical exhaustion. Overthinking, emotional drama, scattered focus, all drain you. Meditation rewires this. It brings deep rest to your nervous system. Your cells regenerate efficiently. Your energy isn't wasted on stress. So, yes, you sleep less, but feel 10x more rested. 3. It literally extends your lifespan. Sounds exaggerated? Let's look at the science. Your life isn't measured in years, it's measured in breaths. The slower and deeper you breathe, the longer you live. In meditation, it naturally deepens your breath. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, calming your heart rate and preserving energy. This isn't just wisdom from the Vedas. Modern science backs it up. The world's longest living people often practice mindful breathing or meditation. Coincidence? I don't think so. 4. Stress and anxiety begin to disappear. Here's a truth bomb. Stress is recycled thinking. You obsess over the same worry, the same what-ifs, the same, what if I fail again? This creates tension, and that tension creates chaos, internally and externally. But meditation slows this mental loop. Your thoughts become lighter. You respond more and react less. With time, meditation helps you step out of anxiety and into awareness. 5. Your physical appearance starts to glow now. I know this sounds like a stretch, but hear me out. Meditation affects your biochemistry. It lowers cortisol, increases serotonin, and improves circulation. This means more oxygen to your skin, a brighter face, relaxed muscles, and a glow people notice. Your voice gets calm. Your posture improves. Your body language becomes balanced. People will say, "You look so peaceful. What's your secret?" You don't have to answer. Just smile. 6. You start living in the present moment. Do you constantly replay the past or fear the future? You're not alone. But here's the truth. Life only exists in the now. Meditation brings you back, like a compass pointing to the present. You stop being a victim of time and start being the master of your moment. And when you live in the present, you see problems clearly. You don't overreact or underreact. You just act with purpose. 7. Compassion and forgiveness become natural. Want to feel lighter? Learn to forgive, not because others deserve it, but because you do. Meditation softens your emotional armor. It lets you feel others' pain without absorbing it. Suddenly, you're not judging people, you're understanding them. And in that space, love flows, grudges dissolve. You heal from the inside out. 8. Your confidence skyrockets. Low self-confidence often comes from comparison and fear of past failures. Meditation helps you see clearly that you are not your mistakes, and you are not someone else's timeline. It rewires your mental patterns, building new, positive circuits, and this changes how you carry yourself, speak, decide, and lead. Confidence isn't noise. It's quiet certainty, and meditation plants that deep. 9. Your memory sharpens. Here's one for the skeptics. In a scientific study, people who meditated just 20 minutes a day for 6 weeks showed actual growth in the memory centers of their brains, just by sitting in silence and no pills. No tech, no brain hacks. Meditation trains your mind to focus, and a focused mind remembers more. Need to recall names, ideas, or where you left your keys? Meditate. 10. Your focus becomes laser sharp. Last but not least, the golden one. Concentration. If you can't finish tasks, can't sit still, can't stay with a book for 5 minutes, it's not your fault. It's your mind's default wiring. Meditation reprograms it. You gain control over your attention. Thoughts don't distract you. They pass through you. Work becomes deeper. Learning becomes faster. Distractions lose their grip. So, what now? You've heard the benefits. You've felt the truth in them. But meditation is not something to understand. It's something to practice. Every day you wait is another day of mental chaos, fatigue, and wasted potential. But every day you choose silence, you get closer to clarity, longevity, happiness, and even wealth. Yes, wealth. Because once your mind is clear, your decisions improve. And with better decisions comes exponential growth. And speaking of exponential growth, if this resonated with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It's the perfect next step if you're serious about building inner peace and outer prosperity. Don't just watch. Begin. Your best life is waiting in silence. Thank you for being here. Stay conscious. Stay wealthy. Stay happy.